Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful infinity scarf, the Sugar Shack infinity scarf. When I was browsing through the internet, I came across this beautiful pattern of infinity scarf, the Sugar Shack infinity scarf, written by Trista from wilddaydream.com. I've added the website link in my description box. I was in love with the scarf and I decided to make one for myself and Plymouth as well. So when I emailed Trista if I could do a YouTube tutorial of her pattern, she immediately replied yes. So I take a moment here to thank her for that. You can check her pattern on her website listed in the description box. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I am using Mandala yarn from Lion brand. So you can see the color schemes here. The yarn is about 590 yards and the shade name is Unicorn, and this is a gradient cake yarn. So the recommended hook size is 5mm, but per the pattern recommendation I'll be using 10mm crochet hook. So for row 1 we are going to work foundation half double crochet 139. So we'll be working 139 foundation half double crochet. So I've already posted a video on foundation half double crochet in my channel. If you want a clear picture of what is foundation half double crochet, you can go there and watch that video. So for foundation half double crochet we will be working chain 2. So starting we are going to work chain 2, chain 1 and chain 2. So it's kind of hard to first work with such a big hook on which fine yarn, but you'll get used to it. And once you work chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook on the first chain, pull through the loop. You get 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first loop. Now you've created your first chain and then yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. You've created your first half double crochet. So the essence of foundation half double crochet is that you're creating your chain and your half double crochet stitches at the same time. So for the next foundation half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook through the first chain, yarn over, pull through your first loop, you created your second chain, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops together, you've created your second half double crochet, foundation half double crochet. Now we can do our third foundation half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through the chain to both the loops, that is at the bottom, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first loop. You've created your third chain, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. You've created your third half double crochet. And then yarn over, insert your hook through your third chain through both the loops, pull through your loop, yarn over, insert, pull through your first loop. You've created your first chain, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. You've created your fourth foundation half double crochet. So you're going to work like this around. You can see your chain created at the bottom and your half double crochet on top of it. So then we are going to create our fifth foundation half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through the 4th chain, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, you got your 5th chain, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, you've got your 5th foundation half double crochet. Now you might have a clear picture on how to work your foundation half double crochet rows. So you need to go ahead, create 139 foundation half double crochet, and then we'll see how we are going to join them. We'll see how we are going to join our ends together. Yarn over, insert your hook through your last chain through both the loops, and then grab your yarn, pull through your last chain through both the loops. You have 3 loops on the hook, and then now join together with your starting foundation half double crochet. Make sure your work is not twisted, otherwise your infinity scarf will not work properly, will not be able to make the rows. Now insert your hook through your first chain through both the loops, and grab your yarn, pull through the chain as well as your first loop on the hook. Now you will have 3 loops on the hook. Work a half double crochet. We have worked our last half double crochet. Now we are going to work a slip stitch through to our starting half double crochet as well. Now insert your hook through your first half double crochet stitch, grab the yarn, pull through your stitch, half double crochet stitch, and your last half double crochet stitch as well. Now we have joined our ends together. Now we can start working our infinity scarf. So starting from this row, we are just going to repeat our work as suggested by the pattern. So we'll see how we are going to work row 2, and make sure your ends are not twisted and the entire foundation half double crochet row is not twisted before you proceed. If it is twisted, I recommend you to just work your join once again, making sure it's not twisted. So row 2 would be chain 1 and 1 half double crochet through all the 3 loops that you see here on the same stitch. So we're going to work 1 half double crochet on top of our foundation half double crochet. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet on each stitch around. I'm just marking my first stitch using a stitch marker, and then I will be working my second half double crochet. You see this loop, 3 loops here. You work 1 half double crochet there, and you work the third half double crochet for your second row. Just you can see this, the chain and the loop underneath. So you're going to grab all these 3 and then yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops on your hook to work your third half double crochet. So likewise we are just going to work 1 half double crochet, grabbing all the 3 loops of the foundation half double crochet, so around. So at the end of each row you will have 140 half double crochet stitches. So keep working half double crochet this way on each stitch around. Now we are going to complete our row 2. I'm removing my stitch marker and I'll be working a slip stitch onto my first half double crochet. So I'm working a slip stitch onto my first half double crochet here, and then I'll start working my third row, which will be chain 1, 1 half double crochet on the same stitch, and then working 1 half double crochet on each stitch around. So the pattern suggests that we continue working the row 2 until we run out of the yarn. So I'm also doing the same. I'll continue working row 2 until I make sure that I can't do any more row with that yarn, or I basically run out of the whole ball of yarn. So continue to work your row 2 for several rows until you are sure that you can't do any more rows out of the ball. So keep working this way for as many rows as you can. So this is how my work is getting progressed after a couple of rows and nearly towards my end. And so I'm going to nearly run out of my yarn. So once I stop when I know that I cannot do another row with the ball of yarn, so that's when I've stopped here, and then I'll be working a slip stitch through my last stitch of my last row. So, and then I'll fasten off and then weave my edges. So that's what I'm doing now. This is my last stitch. So I've cut my yarn already, and then I'm just working a slip stitch and then I'll weave my edges. So this is how my work looks. I've never worked with such a large hook on a very fine yarn before, but this pattern turned out really very soft and very light infinity scarf. So I love the texture of it and how soft and smooth it looked. So I really loved this scarf and I enjoyed making this as well. So I've given the credentials of Valdi Trim in the description box. Do check it out if you like the written pattern, and please try this at home and let me know your comments. I hope you liked making this infinity scarf with me. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.